All right, everyone, welcome to day 2 of 3rd grade geography, all about maps. So this is your informational video. I'll walk you through the steps and show you what to do. First, our objectives for the day. We're going to learn about different types of maps. We're going to identify different types of maps. And then you're just going to complete a short seesaw assignment about maps. So you're on this slide. You clicked play for today's instructions. Now in the second box it says lesson. What are the different types of maps? Click below to learn about types of maps. So you're going to click this link and open to watch a short video. Then you will click the second play button to watch a short video, a second short video, sorry. And both of those videos explain different types of maps. So it talks about physical maps and political maps and special types of maps. So those two videos explain the 3 different types of maps we're going to learn about today. Once you've done that, you will find your Seesaw teacher name here, and you will click on that link and it will take you into Seesaw, where you will complete, it loads here, types of maps activity. And all you're going to do is click to add your response. You can type, draw, or use the microphone and then explain the different types of maps. And there are instructions that will play. If you click play, I'll explain that to you. And then the fourth box is an extension activity about US map games. If you click the play button, it will take you to this website, and you can click play on any of these games, and it will take you into one of those games to learn about US maps. So don't click on any of the things on the side, just click play in the middle. So for instance, let's say I want to learn about capitals, or I want to learn about states. Right here under states 1, I'm going to click play, and it will open up, and it'll take a minute for it to load. Just a moment while it's thinking. Move that up so you can see it. Still thinking, and you're just going to play and follow the directions. So Massachusetts. Find Massachusetts. You would have to find Massachusetts. So let's say it's one of these white ones. I think it's this one. Hey, look, Vermont. I'm correct. Now I'm going to find Vermont. I can't remember. I think it's this one. Look. New Hampshire. Let's say I got one wrong. Oops. It'll just tell me it's wrong, and I'll try again. So all of those games are practice extension activities. If you have questions, go see your teacher in office hours. Thank you.